Good morning, children. Just let us recall whatever we have studied in yesterday's class. That is, how to check whether the given lines are intersecting lines, coincident lines, and parallel lines without plotting the graph. First condition, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then these lines are called as what? Intersecting lines. And this intersecting lines has unique solution, isn't it? It has unique solution and it is what? Consistent. Next, what is the second condition? Second one, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, they are called as what? Coincident lines. Coincident lines, and it has what? Infinite number of infinite solution, and it is also consistent. The third one, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and which is not equal to C1 by C2. They are what? Parallel lines. Parallel lines do not have solution, and they are what? Inconsistent. Parallel lines are inconsistent. These are the three conditions we have studied in the last class. Now let us continue the problem in that exercise. See that question. Just read the question here. The coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of a bat and a ball. See, we are under substitution method. Find the cost of a bat and ball by substitution method. The coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of a bat and a ball. See, let the cost of bat be rupees X. Let it be rupees X. And let the cost of a ball be rupees Y. Now write the condition, linear equations. How many bats she bought? 7 bats. That is 7 into X plus 6 into Y, because 6 balls she bought. Total it cost 3800. Call this as equation number 1. Yes. Now, next what? 6. Next, later she buys 3 bats. That is 3x plus 7, 5 balls, 5y. 3 bats and 5 balls is equal to rupees 1750. Call this as 2. Now what you have to do, write the third equation. In the first equation, it is 7x plus 6y is 3800. 7x is equal to 3800 minus 6y. So what is x? 3800 minus 6y by 7. This is equation number 3. So x is equal to 3800 minus 6y by 7. Now substitute equation number 3 in 2. That is 3 into, what is x? 3800 minus 6y by 7 plus 5y is equal to 1750. Correct? Then multiply 3 inside. 3 into 3800 is how much? It is 11,400 minus 3 6 are 18y by 7 plus 5y is 1750. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM here? 7. 11,400 minus 18y plus 35y by 7 is 1750. Now what is the next step? That is 11,400 minus 18y plus 35y. How much it is? Minus 17y plus 17y, isn't it? Plus 17y is equal to 1750, and this 7 comes here into 7. That is 11,400 plus 17y is equal to 1750 into 7. Multiply 1750 into 7. 0, 5, 2, 2. 12,250. 1750 into 7 is 12,250. Then 17y is 12,250 minus 11,400. That is y 17y is equal to how much it is? 850. Y is equal to what? 850 by 17. That is y is equal to 17 5s are 85. That is 50. So that y is 50. Now let us find what is x. How to find x? Substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Equation number 3, you have to substitute y is equal to 50 in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? See here, x is equal to 3800 minus 6y by 7. That is x is 3800 minus 6 into 50 by 7. That is x is equal to 3800 minus 6 5s are 3300 by 7. Therefore, x is equal to 3800 minus 300, 3500 by 7. That is x is what? 500, right? Therefore, cost of x is actually, it is bat. Cost of bat is rupees 500 and cost of ball is rupees 50. This is the answer. Yes, just note. Okay. See the next problem. Problem number 4. See the question, read the question. The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge and together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What is the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? See, the taxi charges consist of fixed charge and charge per kilometer. As 1 kilometer increases, after 1 kilometer, the charge is increased. That is called as charge per kilometer. And fixed charge is different and charge per kilometer is different. Let us take the two. Let the fixed charge let the fixed charge be rupees X. Then what? Let the charge per kilometer be rupees y. This is the charge per kilometer. Okay, now see this condition. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105. How to write the equation? For a distance of 10 kilometer means there is a fixed charge x, and for 1 kilometer rupees y. For 10 kilometer it is 10y is equal to 105 rupees. 105 it is. Call this as equation number 1. That is a fixed charge plus for 10 kilometer it costs rupees 105. And see the second condition. For a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 155. For a journey of 15 kilometer, there is a fixed charge x, and for 15 kilometer it is 15y is rupees 155. Call this as 2. Now, let us frame the third equation, that is x is equal to 105 minus 10y. In this equation, x is 105 minus 10y. Call this as equation number as 3. Now, what is the next step? Substitute 3 in 2, isn't it? If you substitute 3 in 2, what you'll get? That is x is 105 minus 10y in place of x plus 15y is equal to 155. That is 105 minus 10y plus 15y is plus 5y is 155. Then what is y? 5y, that is 5y is equal to what? 155 minus 105. Therefore, 5y is 155 minus 105 is 50. Y is equal to 55 by 5 is 10. Y is equal to 10. Then substitute the value of y in equation number 3. That is x is 105 minus 10 into 10. That is 105 minus 100 is 5. This is the value of x. Therefore what? Therefore fixed charge is what? X rupees 5. Fixed charge is rupees 5 and additional charge per kilometer is what? Rupees 10. Correct? Then they asked to find how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. Take that as a homework. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? Means x plus 25. What is the cost that you have to find out? Take it as a homework. X plus 25. Orally you can do. X is fixed charge is 5 and charge per kilometer is 10. That is 25 into 10 is 250 and plus 5. It is 255. Take that. I'll go to the next one. See this question. A fraction becomes 911 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. See, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So you have to frame the fraction and you have to solve it. So we don't know what is the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. This is the fraction you have to take. And where x and y are positive integers. Correct? So we have taken the fraction as x by y. Now see the condition. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So if 2 is added to the numerator and if 2 is added to the denominator, the fraction's value becomes 9 by 11. That is the first condition. And in the second condition, if 3 is added to the numerator and if 3 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes what? 5 by 6. From these two fractions, frame a linear equations in two variables. Cross multiply. Just cross multiply. So 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into, sorry, this is y, 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. That is 11 into x, it is 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. Then what? 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. That is 11x minus 9y is equal to what? Minus 4. 18 minus 22 is minus 4. This is equation number 1. Then what is equation number 2? Cross multiplication, that is 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. That is 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 5 3s are 15. 6x minus 5y is 15 minus 18, isn't it? That is 6x minus 5y is 15 minus 18 is minus 3. That is called this as equation number 2. Now what you have to do here, 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y. So x is what? Minus 4 plus 9y. 9y comes this side divided by 11. This is what? Equation number 3. Correct? X is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11. Now substitute 3 in 2. Okay, in place of 6, I'll substitute minus 4 plus 9y by 11 minus 5y is minus 3. That is, sorry, this is for this only. Then 6 into minus 4 minus 24 plus 6 nines are 54. Y divided by what? 11 minus, I'll take the LCM full, 55y is equal to minus 3. Right? 6 into minus 4 minus 24. 6 nines are 54y minus this. Actually, I've taken the LCM. 11 5 is a 55y by 11 is minus 3. Next, let us continue. That is minus 24. 54y minus 55y is minus y, isn't it? Is equal to 11 comes here is what? Minus 33, isn't it? So minus y is equal to minus 33 plus 24. This 24 goes that side. Minus y is minus 34 plus 24 is how much? 9. Minus 9, isn't it? Minus 9. Then y is equal to how much? It is plus 9. Now what you have to do? Substitute y in 3. That is x is minus 4 plus 9 into 9 by 11. So x is minus 4 plus 81 by 11. X is minus 4 plus 81 is what? 77 by 11. Then x is equal to 7. Therefore what? Therefore the fraction is what? 7 by 9. This is the given fraction. Is it clear? Take. See the next problem. See, 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? This is age related problem. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So to solve this using pair of linear equations. So let us take Jacob's present age and his son's present age. Three conditions are there. This is what? Present age. Correct? This is 5 years hence means what? After 5 years, and this is what 5 years ago. These are the three conditions you have to write. Let the present age, what is the age after 5 years? What was the age 5 years ago? Let Jacob's present age is X years. His son's present age is Y years. I've taken, right? Let the Jacob's present age is X years and son's present age is Y years. Now let us see what will be the age of Jacob after 5 years, that is X plus 5 years. And what was Jacob's age 5 years ago? X minus 5 years. Then what will be age of son after 5 years? Y plus 5. And what was son's age 5 years ago? Y minus 5. These are the conditions you have to write first. Then let us see what is given. See the first statement according to the question. 5 years hence means after 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Write mathematical statement for this verbal statement. So 5 years hence means you have to consider this table. 5 years hence, the Jacob age is what? 3 times of his son, that is 3 into y plus 5. This is the first condition. And see what is the second condition. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was x minus 5 after 5 years ago, and which is 7 times of his son. This is how you can write. Is it clear? See the first statement, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That is age of Jacob after 5 years is x plus 5 and it becomes 3 times of y plus 5. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was x minus 5 and son's age was 7 times that of his son. Now using this, let us frame the pair of linear equation. X minus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 5. That is x minus 5 is 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 15, 5 plus 15, 3 5 is a 15. That is x minus 3y is equal to 15 plus 5. That is x minus 3y is what? 20. This is equation number 1. Let us frame equation number 2. X minus 5 is 7 into y minus 5. That is x minus 5 is 7y minus 35. Correct, no? So x minus 5, next step, that is x minus 7y. Bring this 7y to this side, is minus 35 plus 5. That is x minus 7y is what? Minus 30. Minus 35 plus 5 is minus 30. Call this as equation number 2. Now let us solve this 1 and 2. That is, here x minus 3y is 20. So I can write x is 20 plus 3y. Call this as equation number 3. Now what I have to do? I have to substitute 3 in 2, isn't it? That is 20 plus 3y minus 7y is minus 30. Correct, no? See, x is 20 plus 3y minus 7y is minus 30. That is 20 minus 4y. 3y minus 7y is minus 4y is minus 30. Therefore, minus 4y is minus 30 minus 20. Then minus 30 plus 20 is 50. Sorry, it has to be here plus, okay, x plus 5, this one. X plus 5 will make it, I'll repeat for this, sorry for the mistake. X plus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 5. Then x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Correct? Then x plus 5 is equal to x plus x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. So x minus 3y, because this is x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 5. X minus 3y is 10. Then this x is equal to 10 plus 3y. And here I've taken x minus, this is equation number 1, and x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. Then x minus 5, x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. So x minus 7y is minus 30, equation number 2. And this is equation number 3. That is x is equal to 10 plus 3y. That is 10 plus 3y in place of x minus 7y is minus 30. Then 10 minus 4y is equal to minus 30. Minus 4y is minus 30 minus 10. Minus 4y is minus 40. Then y is 10. Y is 10. So substitute y is equal to 10 in equation number 3. That is x is 10 plus 3 into 10. That is x is 10 plus 30. That is x is 50 years. 40 years. 30 plus 10 is 40. Therefore what? Therefore age of Jacob is 40 years and age of son is what? 10 years. This is the answer. Take down. Okay. Next, we'll go to exercise 3.4, solving pair of linear equations by elimination method. How to solve pair of linear equations by elimination method? See here, let us see with this examples, this question only, that is x plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Now let us see how to solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. See, in elimination method, you have to eliminate any one of the variable, either x or y. See, here there are unlike signs. This is plus and this is minus, so that it is easy to eliminate y. So that to eliminate y by adding 1 and 2, I have to multiply equation number 1 by 3, because here 3y and here also 3y is there, then it get eliminates. By eliminating any one of the variable, we can find both the values. So I'll multiply equation number 1 by 3. So then 3 into x, it is 3x. 3 into y, it is plus 3y is equal to 3 into 5. 3 5 is a 15. Equation number 3. Now what I have to do, I have to add 2 plus 3, add these two equations, that is minus 3y plus 3y get cancels, 2x plus 3x, it is 5x is equal to 4 plus 15, it is 19. So what is x? It is 19 by 5. This is x. X is equal to 19 by 5. Then what you have to do, substitute x in equation number 1, that is x plus x is 19 by 5. 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5, that is 19 plus 5y by 5 is equal to 5. This implies 19 plus 5y is equal to 25. This 5 comes here. Then what is 5y? 5y is 25 minus 19. 5y is 25 minus 19 is how much? 25 minus 19 is 6, isn't it? It is 6. So what is 6? It is 6 by 5. This is the value of y. Okay, this is the value of x. This is how you can solve by elimination method. Elimination method is easier than the substitution method. Take down this. So take down second one is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 is homework. This one you have to do it. Take it as homework. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. See here, what you have to do is you have to make equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. You have to multiply equation number 2 with 2 so that it becomes 4y. So it get eliminated by adding 1 and 2. Take it as a homework. Now the next one, third one, 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. This is, I'll write in the standard form, 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. What is equation number 2? 9x, bring this 2y to this side, minus 2y is equal to 7. This is equation number 2. That is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So how to eliminate this? This is minus, this is minus. Both are like signs, and this is plus, this is plus. And this is, here we can eliminate x by multiplying first equation by 3 by subtracting the equations. Understood? So I'll multiply equation number first by 3. 3 3s are 9x minus 3 5s are 15y is 3 4s are 12. This is equation number 3. 3 4s are 12. Now what I have to do, if I add this in this variable won't get eliminated. So that what I'll do is I'll subtract 2 minus 3. I'll subtract equation number 2 from 3. So that 2 minus 3, you have to change the sign. 9x minus 9x minus 2y minus of minus 15y. Change the sign. This becomes what? Plus. And 7 minus 12. Here you have to change the sign. Minus of minus. This is minus of minus. It becomes plus. Just change the sign throughout this. So 9x get cancels. Minus 2 plus 15 is how much? Minus 2 plus 15. That is minus 2 plus 15 is 13y. Isn't it? Then minus 7 minus 12. From 12 you have to take 7. That is minus 5. Isn't it? 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Bigger number sign. Y is minus 5 by 13. That is the value of y. Now find the value of x, that is substitute y in equation number 1, that is 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13 is equal to what? 4. Then take the LCM. 13 into 3x is 39x. Minus into minus is plus 25 by what? 13 is equal to 4. That is 39x plus 25 is 4 into 13. That is 39x plus 25 is 4 into 13 is what? 52. That is 39x is equal to 52 minus 25. That is 52 minus 25 is how much? 39x is 52 minus 25 is 27. Isn't it? 27. So what is x? It is 27 by 39. What is 27 by 39? That is 3 9s are 27, 3 13s are. Therefore, x is 9 by 13. This is the value. See the next question. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now reduce this to the standard form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now 2 3s are 6, it is the LCM. So multiply 6 throughout the equation to remove this fraction. Now this becomes what? 3x plus 2y, isn't it? 3 ones are 4y. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 twos are 4y, 2 ones are 2 threes are 3x plus 4y is minus 6, equation number 1. And here you multiply equation by this equation by 3, that is 3x minus y, isn't it, is equal to 9. This is equation number 2, that is 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is minus 6 and 3x minus y is 9. This is equation number 2. Now how to eliminate this? To eliminate this, this is plus 4y, this is minus y. So can eliminate y by adding equation number 1 and 2. To eliminate this, I have to multiply equation number 2 with 4, isn't it? That is 4 3s are 12x minus 4y is 4 9s are 36. That is equation number 3. Equation number 1 is what? 3x plus 4y is what? Minus 6. It is equation number 1. That is change the sign. It is not need of changing the sign. Already there are unlike signs. Plus minus 4y plus 4y get cancels by adding 3 and 1. 12x plus 3x, it is 15x. 36 minus 6 is 30. That is x is 30 by 15. So x is 2, isn't it? 30 by 15 is 2. That is substitute x in 1, that is 3 into 2 plus 4y is minus 6. 6 plus 4y is minus 6. 4y is minus 6 minus 6, isn't it? So 4y is minus 12. Y is minus 12 by 4. Y is minus 3. This is the value of x and y. Take down. Sorry for the inconvenience, children. I hope you have finished this. You have copied down. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Verbal problem. See this. See, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? See, let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y, where x is the numerator and y is the denominator. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that is x plus 1 and y minus 1, it becomes what? The fraction reduces to 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and if you subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction becomes 1. And the second condition, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. You have to add only 1 to the denominator, numerator as it is, and fraction reduces to half. Now write the equation. This goes here so that x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, and here x 2 comes here. 2x is equal to y plus 1. Then x minus y, this y comes here, minus 1, and 2x minus y is 1. So what is the equation? X minus y is minus 2. This is equation number 1. And 2x minus y is 1. This is equation number 2. Now you have to solve equation number 1 and 2. X minus y is minus 2. 2x minus y is 1. So how to eliminate this? We can eliminate y easily because the numerical coefficient of y is 1. This is 1. How to eliminate? We cannot add this. So what I'll do is I have to subtract 1 and 2. Subtract equation number 1 from 2. Then while subtracting, the sign changes. X minus 2x minus y minus of minus y. This becomes plus, and minus 2, this is minus 1. X minus 2x is what? Minus x, isn't it? X minus 2x is minus x, and this get cancels. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. This implies x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Therefore, substitute x in 1. That is x3 minus 3 minus y is what? Minus 2. Minus y is minus 2 minus 3. Minus y is minus 5. Y is 5. Then what is the fraction? Therefore, fraction is what? It is 3 by 5. Fraction is 3 by 5. Okay, next one. See this problem, similar to the previous we solved. See, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? This we have to find it. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Son? There are two, Noori and Son. See, let us take the present age of Noori and Son. Present age, then first condition 5 years ago, then 10 years later. First write present age 5 years ago, then 10 years later. Three conditions you have to take. Present age 5 years ago, 10 years later. Let the present age of Noori is X years. Present age of Sonu is Y years. So what was Noori's age 5 years ago? That is X minus 5 years. And what was Sonu's age 5 years ago? That is Y minus 5 years. And what will be Noori's age 10 years later? That is X plus 10, isn't it? Then what would be the Sonu's age 10 years later or after 10 years? It is Y plus 10, isn't it? Okay. Now see the first condition. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So you have to take this condition. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Correct? 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. And 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. That is x plus 10 is equal to 2 into y plus 10. Now see the first condition, x minus 5 is equal to 3 into y minus 5, isn't it? That is x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. That is x minus 3y, 3y comes this side, minus 15 plus 5. So x minus 3y is minus 10. That is equation number 1. Let us frame equation number 2. X plus 10 is 2 into y plus 20, 2 into 10. X minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. X minus 2y is 10. This is equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. That is x minus 3y is minus 10 and x minus 2y is 10. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we have to change the sign here because x we can eliminate. That is, you have to do 1 minus 2, x minus x, 3 minus 3 minus 2. This is plus and this is minus. So x minus x get cancels. Minus 3y plus 2y is what? Minus y is equal to minus 20. Y is equal to 20. Correct? Then substitute y in equation number 1. X minus 3 into 20 is what? Minus 10. X minus 3 20s are 60. Minus 60 is equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 plus 60. X is equal to 50. Therefore what? Therefore Noori's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. This is the answer. Take the answer. Okay, next one. See, next I'll just explain one of the concept. What is the difference between number and digits? What is number and digits? For example, 342 is a number. 342 is a number. 3, 4 and 2 are the digits which forms the number 342. What is the sum of the digits? 3 plus 4 plus 2. It is what? 7 plus 2, 9. So these are the digits. Digits forms number, or digits frames number. For example, 23 is a two-digit number. What are the digits? 2 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. And how to write according to the place value? That is in tens place number 2 and ones place, that is number 3. This is how you can write it. So what is the algebraic form? What is the algebraic form to write two-digit number? How to write two-digit number? Let x, y, is it? This is a two-digit number? No. To write two-digit number in the algebraic place, let x be in tens place and y be in ones place. So this is 10x plus y is a two-digit number where x and y are what? X and y are the digits, isn't it? So the general form, algebraic form of two-digit number is 10x plus y, where x and y are the two digits. Then how to write three-digit number in the algebraic form? That is 100x plus 10y plus 1z, where x and y, x, y and z are what? Digits. These are the digits of three-digit number. So this is the difference between number and digit. Digits frame numbers. Using this concept, let us solve this problem. See here, this is the problem. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. You understood? The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So, to consider number, let the digit in tens place, because it is two-digit number, be x. Let the digit in ones place be y. This is the digit. These are the two digits in x. Tens place is x and ones place is y. Therefore, two-digit number. What is the two-digit number? 10 into x plus 1 into y. So this is the number, two-digit number. Therefore, the two-digit number be 10x plus y. If x is the digit in tens place, y is the digit in ones place. Now, next we need the condition reversing the order of the digit. Reversing the order of the digit means just we need to reverse. In tens place I'll write y and ones place I'll write x. The reversing the order of the digit, then the number, this is the number, reverse number. For example, if 23 is a number, reversing the order of the digit is what? 32. Same way, reversing the order of the digit, the number is 10y plus x. So much you have to write. Now let us go to the condition. First condition is what? The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. What are the digits? X and y are the digits. Sum of this digit is 9. Equation number 1. According to the first statement, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. And see the second statement. Also, 9 times this number. Which number? This two-digit number. 9 times the two-digit number 10x plus y is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. This is the second statement. That is, 9 times a number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Now multiply. This is 90x plus 9y is 20y plus 2x, isn't it? 2 into 10, it is 20y. Then 2 into x, it is 2x. Now just write the collect like terms. 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. 90x minus 2x and then 9y minus 20y is 0. 90x minus 2x is what? 88x, isn't it? Plus 9 minus 20, it's sorry, minus 11y is 0. 9 minus 20 is minus 11. Y is equal to 0. I can further simplify this equation by dividing 11 throughout the equation so that it makes easy to simplify. 11 how many times? 11 8s are 88. 8x minus y is 0. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1 is x plus y and equation number 2 is what? 8x minus y is equal to 0. Now let us solve this by elimination method. That is, first equation, x plus y is 9. Equation number 1, 8x minus y is equal to what? 0. This is equation number 2. Now we have already unlike signs here. 1 plus 2 we can do it. X plus 8x, 9x cancels. 9 plus 0, it is 9. X is 9 by 9, it is 1. Then substitute x in 1, that is 1 plus y is 9 y is 9 minus 1, y is 8, correct? X is 1. Therefore, the number is what? 10x plus y, that is 10 into 1 plus 8, that is 10 plus 8 is 18. So the number is 18. This is how you can solve the digit related problems. Just take down. Okay. Now the next one. See the next question. Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got altogether 25 notes. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. See, Meena went to the bank to collect 2000 rupees, but she wants only notes of 50 and hundreds, no other. She doesn't want 10 rupees, 20 rupees, etc. She wants only 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Altogether, she got 25 notes. Then, how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received? See here, let the number of 50s notes be X. Let the number of hundreds notes be Y. Correct? So altogether she had 25 notes. That is 50 rupees notes plus number of 100 rupees notes. She is having 25 notes altogether. Call this as equation number 1. Then how many notes of 50? 50 x plus 100y gives what is the amount? 2000. Equation number 2. She is having altogether 2000 amount, that is 50 into number of notes, 50 rupees number of notes plus 100 rupees number of notes gives total 2000 rupees. I'll this divide this equation number 2 by 50, so that 50, 100, 2000s are factors of 50. So reduced to the simplest form, x plus 2y is equal to 40, isn't it? This is equation number 3. That is 50 by 150, 50, 100 by 2, 50 is 2, 2000 by 50 is 40, isn't it? Okay, now elimination method will do. X plus y is 25, equation number 1. Now see here, x and x are the same variable term. So you can eliminate this. How? By subtracting 3 minus 1, because this to be eliminated. So I'll change the sign, minus, and this is minus. X get cancels. 2y minus y is 1y is 15, isn't it? Y is 15. Now substitute y in 1. That is x plus 15 is 25. X is 25 minus 15. So x is how much? 10, isn't it? 25 minus 15 is 10. We got x as 10 and y is 15. Therefore what? Therefore number of 50s notes is 10 and number of hundreds notes is what? 15. Y is 100. This is how we can solve it. Okay, next one. See this question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, and while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. See, the library has fixed charge for the first 3 days. If we keep a book for 3 days, there will not be any fine. If we keep book for more than 3 days, there'll be a charge for those additional days. Now there are two charges: the fixed charge and what? Additional charge. Let the fixed charge be rupees X and additional charge be rupees Y. Correct? Then Sarita, she kept book for how many days? She kept book for Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. 7 days means first X 3 days. There is no any five. Then how many days are more? 4 days. For Y she paid rupees 27. Call this as 1. 3 plus 4, 7. Because fixed charge for how many days? 3 days. There is no any fine. 3 days is the fixed charge. So 3 plus 4 she kept for 7 days. And Susi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. X, this is 3. Then she kept book for 5 days. 3 plus 2, 5 is equal to 21. These are the two equations, right? X plus 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y is 21. Solve this by elimination method. It is a homework. You can do it yourself. I have given the equation and solve it. Find the fixed charge and additional charge.